What it do, YouTube? So we're back at another video today. I'm just going to be doing a simple thing on the Caliber before I go get it emissions. I have emissions test coming up in like a couple days. Never gotten an emissions. It's always been in a county where I don't need emissions. Moved to this house. Now I do need emissions. I need emissions on that, which that will pass flying colors. This one, as you know, this one has a Big Turbo catless downpipe. It has no codes on the car, but it does have cutout with no cats, so it's pretty loud. We'll see how the emission tests go. The place I'm going to, my brother went to it a couple months ago, and they said they just plugged up the OBD port and see if you have any codes. Didn't look underneath the car, but he just has a regular Corolla. This doesn't sound like a race car pulling up, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it passed, because if not, I'm just going to bring it home, park in the garage, take insurance off of it, put a cover over it, because I already have plans to take the motor and everything out of the car. So that's the plan. The plan today is to we're gonna plug up the cutout. We're gonna take the cutout pipe. I'll show you. Oh, dude, so see, there's a cutout. We're gonna take that off and block it with a block plate. So hopefully, when I pull up, the dude's like, "Oh my God, you sound straight pipe." So we're gonna do that, and we'll get back with you in a little bit. Here's a better light. So there it is. This will be taken off and putting on the plate. Test. We put the what do they call it? Like a block off plate on the blow off valve, or not the blow off valve, the cutout. So we're on our way. Gotta get some gas first. Might have a tank, but this car is definitely more quiet than it used to be, because with the cutout open, the thing was extremely loud. But now it's good, and you can hear the turbo. If I can, I gotta hold one hand. But yeah, we're on our way, and I'll try to get a video of everything, and if not, I'm sorry, because like I don't know how people are, but yeah. Alright, we just at the gas station. We gotta pump some E in this bitch. We're right down the road from an inspection place. It's like not even a mile. We gotta get that E, that corn. because this E doesn't want to work. Guess we'll go to the next one. This one ain't working. Alright, let's try this again. First one didn't work. Hopefully this one works. Always get the 85. Hey, this one's working. Hey. But yeah, place is like right down the road. So we'll get to you there. We'll turn it on in the car, and hopefully the guy doesn't say anything. But if he says anything, I'm gonna respect his saying and turn it off. But see you in a little bit.
I bet when they look under here, they be like, oh, yeah. Damn. I believe it.
Yeah.
I believe it. I believe it.
This is my own car that I built. So.
Damn. Quick check.
Hey boys, we passed. Well, boys and girls, we just got out of the emissions test. He plugged the OBD port up, scanned it, stuck the gas cap thing on it, did its job, and luckily we passed, boys. One thing I've been worried about when I moved is emissions here, because I don't have any cats on the car. So yeah, it's my birthday coming up, so tags need to be renewed. So came up here and put the block off plate, the cutouts closed, so that probably helped a little bit. But he didn't look underneath the car, thank God. I don't think you can even see the cats underneath the car. I think it's like in the front, the stock ones. But go in here and get it. And thank you for watching. We made it, boys.